Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. I am Ms. Fatiha, your English language teacher. Hope you all are fine and good in health. So, student, today we continue our last chapter of the final term, that is the unit 10, the railway journey. And today we also wind up this chapter. We have just some remaining topics, and today we also discuss these topics. On page number 67, you have exercise B of your workbook. In this exercise, you have to use has with the just. Just shows that then an action has been completed. We use has as a helping verb, and we use just, and just shows that the action has been completed. On page number 67, we have some examples. The monkey is eating his dinner. When I used has and just in this sentence, so it becomes the tiger has just eaten his dinner. It means that the tiger done with his dinner. He just wind up his dinner right now. So just shows that an action is completed right now. On page number 67 and 68, we have some pictures. All these people have just finished doing something. So we have 6 pictures, and the 6 people just doing some, just completed their actions right now. So the first picture is Rima. Rima is writing something. So we make a sentence that Rima has just written a letter. Now the second picture is Hamid. So we write that Hamid has just left the house. We also use the words which is on page number 68. On page number 68, we have a box. In this box, we have some verbs. So we also use the verbs in our sentences. So on page again, picture C is Salim. So we write that the Salim has just broke the glass. Now picture D is Najma. So we make a sentence that Najma has just eaten an ice cream. Now picture E is Faraz. Faraz has just plucked the flower. Now picture F, Giorgio has just found his friend. So we make a sentences with the using of has as well as the just. Has we use as an helping verb, and just shows that an action has completed. On page number 69, we have another exercise. In this exercise, you have to use each. Now you can see exercise C1. Read the examples and ask your own question about the picture. We have a picture. We have to ask the question and we have to answer our questions. So on page number 69, first we have 3 pictures of houses, of different houses. So the question is, has each house has a chimney? So it's a question that each house has a chimney. We have to answer it by the help of the picture. So no, it has not, because not every house has a chimney. Each house has not a chimney. So we answer it firstly, no, it has not, and then we write each house has not a chimney. Now the second picture is the cats. Has each cat a tail? So yes, every cat has a tail. So we answer it, yes, each cat has a tail. Now on the below this we have the exercise. We have to ask our own question and answer them. So the first picture is that there are 3 boys, and every boy have a kite. So the question is, has each boy a kite? So we answer it yes, he has. On next page we have another picture, and there are three men who have a hat. So we have to write the question by own self. Has each man a hat? So no, he has not. Each man has not a hat because only two men have a hat. Now below this another picture is there are three girls who have a bag. So question is, has each girl a bag? So yes, every girl have a bag. See, we answer it yes, each girl has a bag. The last exercise is there are some bottles. So we write the answer as, has each bottle a top? So no, not every bottle have a top. So students, now I am sharing the home assignment with you. Your home assignment is that you have to make 5 sentences of has or just, or you have to make 5 sentences of each. This is the two question. In first question you have to make 5 sentences. In those sentences you use just and has. The next question is that you have to make 5 sentences and you use each. Now I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Now I am going to end the class. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.